Hey guys, it's Mr. Golius for August 26th. A couple changes. We are going to be switching to the Google Classroom for our bell ringers. There's going to be a link here that will guide you through that in just a moment. If you're not in class today, you won't have to make up the whiteboard sketch. That's something we're doing for fun and is actually linked inside of the Google Classroom. Again, make sure you watch the link that will be there momentarily. Dreamboard, we will explore the directions of the Dreamboard, which basically means this check it out. You're going to watch all of these links. If you are an 8th grader returning, make sure you watch the Elite Dreamboard because that's the one you're doing, as opposed to everybody else who will be in the first two. Also check out the picture-in-picture because that's a super helpful little tip for you as well. And then in class, we will start the Dreamboards. We're going to have those finished up on Friday and turn those in, so we'll talk more about that later. Have a great day.